Loss of hyperdrive on the Millennium Falcon. The sound of a Dentist Airjet, a 1928 biplane, an arc light motor beginning and stopping, the motor noise of a tank's gun turret, and the sound of a broken sink in the studio's bathroom combined to create the sorrowful sighs of the engines unable to leap into light speed. The shriek of the evil TIE fighters flying by is another terrifying sound from the story. It was made by blending the swoosh of a car traveling on wet pavement with the sound of a screaming elephant sample. Sound effect fact number 3. Burtt used an ARP 2600 analog synthesizer to generate the sound effects for R2-D2's voice, as well as his own vocalizations processed through additional effects. And here are the end results. Sound effect fact 4. Vader's voice was of course recorded by James Earl Jones and modified to provide extra bassy tones. The breathing was accomplished by using a scuba breathing equipment. Burtt would attach a microphone to his deep sea diving equipment and breathe into it in different ways. Sound effect fact number 5. The lightsaber is possibly the most famous sound in all of Star Wars. From the minute he saw the weapon's concept designs, Burtt had an idea of the sound he wanted to make. He created the iconic hum by combining an old motor from a projector in the USC cinema department with other materials, and the famous sound was born.
Thank you for watching, everyone. If you like this clip, check out this one. This is a good one.